What is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Octavi OS v1.4 is now available for Redmi Note 8 users, and honestly I was fully dissatisfied, you can say, with this build. It has a lot of things which are missing. Battery backup is not good and kind of a new UI, but things are not quite good. Which are the things you get here and why this build is not so good to use as your daily driver in your Redmi Note 8. In this video I'm gonna share with you a lot of things. Let's get started. Guys, first of all, there is new UI. As you can see, Octavi OS v1.4 official version, which right now I've installed it on my Redmi Note 8. Seems looking really good. The first impressions were quite great. You can see here about phone info is looking quite great here. You have battery information, camera information, processor, and your device specifications, also including this v1.4 official Octavi OS. Everything seems looking really great here till now. After using it for some time, performance is up to the mark as expected. It does not have a lot of things. If you compare it with the Corvus OS, Corvus OS is far more faster than this, far more great than this. The performance is good as expected, but the thing is, we're going to talk about battery backup later on. Let me show you this quick settings panel, which reminds me of One UI. It's just looking like that. Also, I have noticed one thing. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows available, and we have the option of choosing these options to. We have the option to choose these options to 5 rows or 6 rows in settings, and I have a lot of these options available. Let me show you by going here and adding more tiles here. Let me show you by going here like this. Sorry for this. Okay, here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 rows available, but I have applied the settings of 5 rows, but these are not 5 rows available at a one page, maybe because of this normal center style clock. Not sure about that, but it has. I have the option enabled in settings. I'm gonna share with you later on. First of all, let's talk about the battery backup. 15% left. Active drain is 7.55% per hour, which is not so dissatisfied, but the idle drain almost 2.5% per hour, which means in 2 hours I'll get 5% of battery drainage without even using my device, which is honestly really bad. I was not expecting this thing in Octavi OS, because Octavi OS is not actually, Octavi OS was one of the greatest customers available for Redmi Note 8 users. Also, I have noticed one thing. For example, if I choose this one, this is a browser called private browser, which I have downloaded from the Google Play Store. If I want to take a screenshot, couldn't save screenshots. Not sure if it was available in the previous builds, but I got this option. You will not be able to take screenshots in any private browser. It was available in some custom rooms. I've tried that and those were working. First time I'm using this kind of thing. It's not working in this Octavi OS. Maybe a device specific thing is missing here, or I've not enabled that setting, but it's not working here. Maybe it's not working in other custom rooms also, but the rooms which I have tried so far, the feature was working. So that's why I just tried and noticed. So don't comment like that I don't know and this feature is not for everyone or something like that. Battery backup I already shown you. You can see here 2.43% per hour battery drainage is more than enough. We have the new brightness slider option available. You can see here. Some of you guys will like this, some of you guys will not like this. I'm one of those who didn't like this much. This panel is looking good and it's not bad. The center clock is looking good, but the volume panel is not so good. It's quite big here. Including that, we also have the same kind of Mi volume bar now available, which was not available in the previous builds. You can customize the volume bar actually, but by default you get this Mi volume panel. And like that, we have the latest Magis version v21.0. and let's talk about the safety net status. Maybe it's passed, but maybe after applying that module, yes, Magis kite props config is enabled, so safety net status is passed. But good thing is safety net is passing, so which means you'll be able to use the banking apps without any issues. And if you try out this wallpaper, you can get this wallpaper very easily from this app called WallX. You can download it from Google Play Store for free and you'll find this wallpaper. I thought this wallpaper is looking really good. Now let's move on to settings, and we have this option welcome user, which you can edit. Of course, you just click here and edit it to whatever you want to. For example, if you want to write Karan here, it will work. Just click here and it's done. But the thing which I noticed is you'll see his, just go back and turn on your settings, it's gone. It should be there. I don't know why it's not there, but it should be there. So this is kind of a bug, kind of not a bug, but the thing which is missing from here. Overall, the settings kind of the same as expected. This is Octavi OS. The about phone UI is changed, but no extra things are changed here. Some a little bit of extra features might be included, but not so much. These were things I just want to share with you. My experience with this Octavi OS so far is not so quite good. So I just want to share with you all those things. I hope you like this. If you like this, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching and goodbye.